I was just about to sing, ooh, Nana.
What is my name? Hi, Tom Tom. Back with another video. Tom versus Dale.
But this time,
Yeah.
it's for both of us.
Actually, what would be great is if we were both together. I said we both. You both were together. Seatbelts.
I just burped milkshake.
Tom versus Dale. Or should I say Tom and Dale?
Tom and. Just not Anne because he's not here.
Yeah, he's off. But today, we're off.
Shrek and Donkey on another adventure. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Which one are you? You look like Shrek. So,
Yes.
we were kindly contacted by Halfords. Obviously, we supply them all of the world's best car care products. Yeah, so speaking to the lads up there that we deal with, and they're really excited about the Tom versus Dale project. So they've offered us some kit, some tools, some of their, oh, I'm going to get this wrong, so I'll come back with a proper plug.
Yeah.
The premium range tooling, which has a lifetime guarantee. Basically, they've given us some free kit because I'm more me than Dale in this instance. I've got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Myself.
Yeah. So a very kind thank you to Halfords today. It's another road trip with Tom and Patches. Okay, great.
Great. I've told you about making stuff
I'm not making it
I
up.
told you about
There
making
was a
stuff.
rainbow.
Was there a leprechaun and a pot of gold at the end?
That's you can't say that anymore.
Oh, why not?
Unethical.
Oh,
You can see the whole rainbow. That's never happened before, ever.
ever.
Ever. Ever.
Okay.
That's never happened.
I'm trying to be less argumentative.
You're doing a great job at it. What's our destination?
Well, the destination is Halfords head office, which is Redditch, which everybody knows that. But I've been here a few times, but just out of laziness. I'm not the type of person. I like to know where I'm going. But it is that point in time where, if anybody knows, O2 have had a minor mishap with some data. And yes, we have the most fantastic Kenwood satellite navigation system, but I didn't get the postcode, and I can't get the postcode. So we're going on my gut instinct. Good luck, everybody.
Sorry, did you just say you've gone the wrong way?
You weren't on camera when I said that. No, I haven't come the wrong way. I knew that this was the back.
Did you? Did you?
This isn't it. I've got to turn around.
Bend over, is it?
Hi, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Don't know.
Probably better explaining it than I am.
Yeah.
So I only know a bit, so Tim will know more. So.
Yeah, so you've got a matte finish
Yeah.
instead of the gloss because it doesn't show up any fingerprints
Yeah.
and stuff like that. Gas struts, so pulled out really nice. Then you've also got the soft close drawers on them as well.
Nice. So you can get really angry and slam them.
Yeah,
That's
you
the
can do
habits
them.
when I used to.
That'll be frustrating for you because your car won't be fixed.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
200 socket set, so this is our black version as well. Yeah.
That is nice.
Damn.
Got all
I've never been so excited about a spanner before.
I'll send nothing.
got ratchet spanners in there. Impact sockets, long reach, short reach. top.
That is a pretty good
Finish on
looking
it's
kit.
lush, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a really nice kit.
This is the new one, right? This is the...
It's the limited edition one,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black Friday.
Yeah, trolley jacks. There's a really decent, really step up from what we used to have. So you got the rubber pads on there. You've got a quick lift feature on there. The arm's got all of the foam bits on it as well. Low entry, high rise, quiet rolling, nylon wheels. Everything you'd ever need.
That's awesome.
That is awesome, yeah. Don't tell Dale. We get the nice stuff.
Yeah.
The Renault 5.
Yeah.
Dale can have it's all nice stuff.
It's all good stuff, but he can have the chrome.
Yeah, he'll have the chrome bit. He's got having chrome bits on his car.
Is he?
Yeah. Is he? Oh.
I don't know. Why don't we just tell him the plan? That's success.
Much success.
That's some nice stuff.
Got some nice goodies. They've looked after us, haven't they?
Yeah.
So we're making the delivery because obviously some point two weeks ago I should have started doing something on the Renault 5. So we're at Reflex to drop off my toolkit, the nice black stuff, and then we spoke to Uncle Phil. Uncle Phil, we're going because we're dropping the Benz off next week. We'll take up the chrome stuff.
Yep.
Next week, and then the trolley jack's staying at ours because.
Yes. Good idea.
Yeah, nice.
Even split.
Yeah, you need to put that. You need to help.
Yeah. And well, you come round here.
Hi, dude. Yeah.
This video's over.
Ow. How's the video over? We've not finished unloading all the parts yet. Jack's still in it. Jack's put a bit of weight on. Oh.
Do you need a hand?
What? Wish I had a McDonald's at lunch. Yeah, thanks Halfords, thank you. This is Dale's kit, so we dropped our kit off. 100 piece, oh, hold up. We'll go to, oh, did that earlier. That'll go, sorry Dale. Sorry Phil. Oh.
Just do this. Just
turn them over.
no. Take this one and find the same size, 17, and just put it in the corner.
It's wrong size.
Perfect.
Cheers, thanks.
Bye.
Like, subscribe,
Yep.
comment. Patrick puts a lot of work into these videos and he's new.
That's true.
Team Tom.